If you are new to Google Ads and want to start running Google Ads for your business, the first step is setting up Google Ads account accurately. In this video, I shall show you step by step how to create a Google Ad account, including important settings that you need before set up your first campaign. So let's get started on my computer screen and show you how you can do. Open your browser and write ads.googleads.com. Then you will get this type of interface, sign in and start now button. Before clicking start now button, I will share Google Ads credit. Okay, your 500 ad credit awaits. Sign up and complete billing setup. Redeem your offer, terms apply. If you spend $500 in Google Ads, then Google give you $500 ads credit. Within 60 days you have to spend this amount. Like if you spend $1,050 within 60 days, Google Ads credit will be 2,000 US dollar. If you spend 3,000 within 60 days, Google Ads credit will be $4,500. So choose your offer and start now to claim button. After clicking start now button, then you will get this type of interface. Then please select your country, select your time zone and select your offer. After selecting offer, then you will get payment profile. You need to create a payment profile. After clicking payment profile, you will get two type of option, organization and individuals. Then click individuals and input your information. Give your name and zip code and then click the create. After clicking payment profile, then you need to add a payment method. Click payment method option. Then you will get add credit or debit card or bank. I will click credit card and input my credit card information and click the save card. After clicking save card, then you will get this type of interface. In the below you will get submit option. Please click the submit button. After clicking submit button, you will get this type of interface. That means your Google ad account is ready. Now you are ready for running Google campaign. So if you need any help to running Google ad campaign, then please contact on my WhatsApp number. We will help you to set up your best campaign and get best phone call or sales for your businesses. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.